Hello YouTubers, I am going to show you how to apply a vinyl decal using the hinge method. Once you have your decal ready to go and find your position, you tape it in place. Position, tape into the corner, tape into the corner. The next step is to create the hinge. With a long piece of tape, go across the top edge of the decal. Half on the decal, half on the substrate. Once you've got that done, make sure it's stuck well. Grab your squeegee, lift up your decal, and it should hinge just like this. Once you're ready to apply, press down on that edge, on the hinge edge, and carefully peel the liner. Once that's done, you're left with this. Holding it taut, start burnishing on the hinge edge away from the hinge. You want to do this evenly. Once that's done, then you can remove your application tape. You want to keep your fingers pressed up against the substrate and pull at the sharpest angle possible. That would be with your fingers touching the surface. Once your tape is gone, you're left with a perfectly applied decal. Have a great day.